Improve manufacturing efficiency with our industrial label printers. Because the print head lifts up between barcodes, it saves ribbon when you use pre-printed labels, so you can keep track of expiry dates for fresh produce, all while saving money and boosting your green credentials. Get products around your warehouse faster with our robust, reliable, and high-performance industrial printers. Its rotary cutter means labels are produced efficiently and at speed. Ready to slot into the front of your tote trolley and send your items to their next stop. We help keep your production line moving. Our applicator system automatically prints and applies labels to items on the conveyor belt, avoiding added manual processes and freeing up time for your staff.